About IndiGo Aviation, and this is an interesting question coming in from Sagar. Rajesh, this is an interesting one because he's been holding from sub 1,000 levels, and so it's a 5-bagger, or more than 5-bagger, close to 6-bagger for him. He's making gains of 2.8 crore. The question that he has is twofold. One, with the oversupply currently in the oil market globally and OPEC Plus adding to production, is it likely that crude oil prices will likely remain in that $60 to $65 per barrel mark? And because you have 40 to 50% of costs for an airline company in India coming from fuel, will that be a positive tailwind for the company? And two, what are the implications of the long-haul flights to places like Europe or various other places where already there is stiff competition? Can IndiGo benefit from that and add to its revenue and possibly its profit share as well?
See, taking one by one, I think crude price is going to languish in these range, unless of course, some geopolitical tension, which are already there, flare-ups significantly. So I don't find any reason to believe that crude is going to move to 3 digits anytime soon. So unless that happens, I think the companies which are crude dependent are on a safe ground. As far as IndiGo is concerned, I think, yes, they have almost monopoly, I would say, if not monopoly, because they're the largest market share in the country and doing very well. And this crude price is going to help. Secondly, the kind of travel boom which we have been witnessing after COVID is helping the entire hospitality sector as a whole. And IndiGo being the largest player is doing well. Although the numbers have been subdued in this quarter, I think going forward the numbers will be good. The second part of the question was long-haul flights for international stations. I think that is a tough one because there is a huge competition and the quality and other things of the international players are too good to match for IndiGo at this point of time. So I think that would be a little negative on this in the short term, of course. But for a longer term horizon, that may turn out to be a positive. But at this point of time, I think one can continue to hold. If somebody wants to play on a safer side, like the gentleman is sitting on a huge profit, what he can do is sell a part of it so that his investments become zero and it can continue to hold.
Okay, so hold is what we'll continue to see for IndiGo Aviation. Once again, congratulations, Sagar, for that big profit that you're making. But the next